Guess what? I just bought another investment property. Seriously? How have you been buying all these properties? I've been struggling to buy the next property because of my low income. It's really hard to get a loan. He has no idea I know how to do this. Well, actually, I have a secret hack to get more money for more investment properties. It's called a DSCR loan. DSCR loan, what is that? It's a debt service coverage ratio loan. Now, you find a property that's 1.15% above the normal mortgage that's in passive income that you can make, as long as you're accounting for all your taxes, insurance, and everything, then you can get a loan because the property is what is paying off the loan. They're lending you money on that value of that property and the income that it comes in. That's it. How does that help? With the mortgage, they're looking at that house to pay off the mortgage instead of you as the borrower. I needed to learn all this stuff myself. How did you find out about this? From Dustin. I follow him. He teaches people how to invest in real estate, makes it super easy, making passive income every single month so people can become financially independent. And he makes it so simple.